हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो ये वीडियो रे आम 30 एमसीक्यू डिस्कसन करबा जोटा कि मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन अच्छी। तो निश्चित भाव में ये वीडियोटी आपंकर अपकमिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम हेल्पफुल हम। तो वीडियोटी को प्रथम शेष पर्यटन देखूँ। जदि आपण मैंने मो चैनल नुआ तो निश्चित भाव में चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करूँ, नोटिफिकेशन ऑन करूँ, जहाँद्वारा आपड़ जहाँ भी किसी नुआ वीडियो आसो प्रथम आपको नोटिफिकेशन जीव। वीडियोटी को प्रथम शेष पर्यटन देखूँ। जदि आपको वीडियोटी भल लगुच लाइक करूँ, कमेंट मध्यम मतामत आ सांग मान सहित सेयार करने को भूलु ना। तो ठीक अच्छे, फास्ट क्वेश्चन आगे देखो। व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज द फर्स्ट इंग्लिश शिप दैट कम टू India? Answer is Red Dragon. So Red Dragon was the first English ship that came to India. 2 number देखो, in the year 1600 the charter to the English East India Company for monopoly of eastern trade for 15 years was given by Queen Elizabeth I. Queen Elizabeth I. 3 number देखो, who were the first European to set up sea trade centers in India? Answer is option A, the Portuguese. So the Portuguese were the first European to set up the sea trade centers in India. 4 number देखो, who was the first Portuguese viceroy in India? Answer is Francisco de Almeida. Francisco de Almeida. तापर 5 नंबर देखो, which one of the following factories in Bengal was established by Portuguese? Answer is Hooghly. Hooghly is the right answer. So Hooghly's factories in Bengal was established by Portuguese. 6 number देखो, who among the following formulated and implemented the doctrine of lapse? Answer is Lord Dalhousie. So Lord Dalhousie formulated and implemented the doctrine of lapse. 7 number देखो, through which one of the following were the commercial activities of the East India Company finally put to an end? Answer is the Charter Act of 1833. The Charter Act of 1833. 8 number देखो, the Cornwallis Code of 1793 separated civil administration for judicial administration. Civil administration from judicial administration. 9 number देखो, the Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India in which one of the following years? Answer is 1498. Option D देखि पारथिबे। 10 देखंतु, which one of the following was the first fort constructed by the British in India? Answer is Fort St George. Fort St George. तो वर्तमान 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखो, which one of the following European trading companies adopted the blue water policy in India? Answer is Portuguese company. So Portuguese company, European trading company adopted the blue water policy in India. तापर 12 देखो, the battle of Wandy was fought between the British and the French company. British and French company. 13 देखो, in the beginning the motive of British East India Company was option B, trade not territory. Trade not territory. 14 देखो, the Bengali leader who opposed socio-religious reforms and supported orthodoxy was Radhakant Dev. Radhakant Dev. The Bengali leader who opposed socio-religious reforms and supported orthodoxy was Radhakant Dev. 15 देखो, Ram Mohan Roy was given the title of Raja by Akbar II. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was given the title of Raja by Akbar II. तापर देखो 16, Sharada Act fixed the minimum age of marriage of girls and boys respectively 14 and 18. So girls मानकर 14 और boys मानकर 18. 17 देखो, who is considered as the prophet of Indian nationalism? Answer is option C, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So Raja Ram Mohan Roy is considered as the prophet of Indian nationalism. तापर 18 देखो, the Brahmo Samaj is based on the principle of monotheism. Option A, monotheism. 19 देखो, which of the following European wars flared of the first Carnatic wars in India? Answer is Wars of Australian Succession. Wars of Australian Succession. 20 देखो, where in India did the Portuguese build their first fortress? Answer is Cochin. So in Cochin did the Portuguese build their first fortress. तापर देखो 21, which European power did assist Balaji Bajirao against the Angles? Answer is the English. So the English power did assist the Balaji Bajirao against the Angles. Then 22 देखंतु what was the name of the first ship of East India Company of England which reached here on August 24, 1600 AD. Answer is Hector. So Hector was the first ship of East India Company of England which reached here on August 24, 1600 AD. तापर 23 देखंतु how many times did Vasco da Gama come to India? So answer is 3 times. So Vasco da Gama come to India 3 times. तापर 24 देखंतु where did the British East India Company open its first factory in India? Answer is Surat. So in Surat the British East India Company opened its first factory in India. 25 देखंतु which governor of Madras presidency made treaty Mangalore with Tipu? Answer is Lord Macartney. So option B देखि पड़थबे तार राइट आंसर. 26 देखंतु who granted the permission to establish the first British factory of the Hooghly in Bengal? Answer is Shah Shuja. 27 देखंतु who founded independent state of Bengal? Answer is Murshid Quli Khan. So it who founded the independent state of Bengal? Murshid Quli Khan. 28 देखंतु who among the following European were the last to come to pre-independence India as trader? Answer is option A, French are the last to come to pre-independence India as traders. 29 देखंतु who among the following introduced cashew, pineapple, tobacco in India? Answer is Portuguese. So Portuguese introduced cashew, then pineapple and the tobacco in India. Last देखो 30 who was the Sir George Oxenden? Answer is first governor of Bombay. Who was the Sir George Oxenden? Answer is first governor of Bombay. तो ये 30 MCQ थिला जोटा कि आपनकर मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री रिलेटेड जोटा कि निश्चित भाव में आपनकर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम पे हेल्पफुल हम. तो वीडियोटी को प्रथम शेष पर्यंत देखंतु चेष्टा करंतु मन रखिया पे. जदि आपण मो चैनल नुआ निश्चित भाव में चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु. जदि वीडियो भल लागुची ताले लाइक शेयर और कमेंट करिया को भूलंतु. थैंक यू.